Welcome to another Rolled In Reacts episode. This mechanic was pumping up their truck's spare tire when this happened. Luckily, no one was hurt, except maybe a pair of work pants. And according to the windshield sticker on this car, the last oil change was over 7,000 miles ago. This customer had just purchased this car and complained about the taillights not working. And this customer said that their car had troubles accelerating, and this is what the mechanic found in the exhaust. Apparently the owner stores dog food in the garage and the mouse had been using the exhaust as a secret stash. And this person went to buy a car that the previous owner stated was never, ever smoked in. And this car has an issue with water getting into the junction box, which causes some pretty strange issues, like the accelerator going wide open when in park.
Now I'm going to put it in park.
And this is U-Haul's pretty ineffective catalytic converter cage. Customer states, "My steering wheel sounds like a Star Wars fight." And this customer stated that they hit a nail, but their ex-husband fixed it, but the car still has a bad vibration while driving. Customer states, "My RPM gauge won't stop fighting with the other gauges." This customer complained about their taillight not working properly. This customer came in because they had hit something on the road, but they didn't tell the mechanic exactly what, but they wanted him to make sure everything was okay. This customer states, "I went a bit off-road and now my Jeep won't start." And this customer came in for a regular checkup but had no complaints whatsoever about their transmission. This mechanic had this car in the shop for an oil change when he started hearing a meowing sound from underneath the car. Customer states, "My steering wheel feels kinda light." Yeah. And this mechanic had to get to a module underneath the floor mats, and this is what they found.
Huh? There's flat Twinkies under the floor mat.
This customer stated that they had just filled their car with gas, parked it on the road for the night, but the next morning the car wouldn't start and their fuel light was on. And this customer came in for a new alternator, but the mechanic also found the coolant to be completely black and oily. And this customer said that their boyfriend had looked at their truck and said that it was alright before they bought it. And this is the same boyfriend coming to pick up the truck later that day. Customer states, "I hit a speed bump." And this customer complained about their brakes not braking.
Oh, got it? Yeah.
And this customer states, "Slight vibration in their steering wheel." And this customer had installed new LED fender lights by themselves, but had zip tied the wiring to the suspension. Customer states the horn is in the wrong place. And this customer had just bought a new Citroën and wondered if everything was alright with the steering wheel. Customer states the front tire sounds like it's about to fall off. And this customer complains about their car starting up but then turns off right away. This mechanic was doing a regular oil change when they noticed that the customer had accidentally filled the car up with washer fluid. And this is the oil filter from a 2.4 liter Ecotec engine from a Chevrolet Equinox. Customer complained about a bad knock after it ran out of oil twice. These engines are known for this and have extended warranty for these issues. But unfortunately for this customer, the warranty time frame had passed. Customer states, strange noises when accelerating. This customer came in to get 4 new tires installed, but forgot to mention anything about this when dropping the car off. And this customer's car got towed into the shop because it apparently just needed a new starter. The mechanics found the car to need a little bit more work than just that. This customer came in because of the check engine and maintenance light constantly being on. Also, the customer ended up declining all repairs. And this customer had their front drive shaft break while they were driving 90 miles per hour. And this customer came in to have their oil changed, but did not want to mention anything to the mechanic about what had actually happened to their car. Customer states, car feels wobbly. This customer states that they installed a new aftermarket car alarm and now the car won't start. And this customer came in because they complained about a slight steering wheel vibration. Customer states, parked the car on the street and the next morning it wouldn't move. And this customer got their car towed in because they had brake issues after recently having gotten their brakes replaced. The mechanic found the caliper bracket bolts to be missing. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.